Land degradation refers to the deterioration of the quality and productivity of the land. It occurs due to various factors like deforestation, overgrazing, urbanization, and improper agricultural practices. The consequences of land degradation are far-reaching and include reduced agricultural yields and soil erosion. Land degradation can lead to desertification, where fertile land turns into dry and arid desert-like terrain. It also affects biodiversity by reducing habitat and threatening the survival of various plant and animal species. Land degradation has negative impacts on human livelihoods, as it decreases the availability of resources and agricultural productivity. It can contribute to food insecurity, poverty, and forced migration. Preventing land degradation requires sustainable land management practices, such as afforestation and reforestation. Conserving soil health through practices like terracing and contour farming is also crucial in combating land degradation. Effective water management can prevent soil erosion and improve soil fertility.